massage movement that help you to simply relax the body and to heal. Okay, this movement help you to improve your digestive system and make your belly more warm. And then you can put your hands on your face, massage your face. You can massage your head by brushing your hair, brushing your head. Allows yourself to release tension from your arms, on your hands and your legs. Okay. Today we have about 10 minutes to do the body Qigong massage together. Okay, so this is a very simple massage movement that help you to simply relax the body and to heal. So you can open your palm, breathe in deep, breathe out slow. You may bring your mind back to the body. You may put your 2 palms under your lower abdomen and relax and breathe naturally through your nostril. Okay, you are standing, you feel that you are standing on the earth. You recognize that you are standing on the earth. Feel your 2 feet relax, your 2 palms relax. You breathe with your lower abdomen. You feel your lower abdomen rising when you breathe in. Lower abdomen is falling when you breathe out. Feel calm and relaxed, okay? And then one hand put on your lower abdomen, another hand outside. And then you may start by massage your lower abdomen, okay? Move with the clockwise direction. You press a little bit to help yourself to circulate the blood for your lower abdomen, your stomach. This movement helps you to improve your digestive system and make your belly more warm and circulate the blood for your stomach. Okay, breathe in, out. Offer a gentle smile to yourself. When you do this often, you may circulate the blood for your stomach. And then you massage your 2 palms together. You are side by side. And another side. And then you can put your hands on your face, massage your face, to help you to refresh and to renew all the cells of your skin. Allow your face to release all tensions and worries. And then put your 2 hands, your 10 finger on your head. Okay, you can massage your head by brushing your hair, brushing your head in the back of your head, beside, and then front. This one can help yourself to release tension from your brain, your head. Stop your thinking, just feel it. Feel your head, feel your body. Breathe in, out. That's so wonderful. So you may shake your hands a little bit. And then you jump. Offer a smile to yourself. Allow yourself to release tension from your arms, from your hands and your legs. Okay. So you may put your hand on your neck. Okay. You massage your neck up and down. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in and look your neck up. Release it. Go down. Out. So wonderful. And then you can massage your two arms, okay? Right arm. Left palm and the right palm holding together. You breathe in and out for 3 times, okay? To strengthen your arms, strengthen your wrist, your palms. Put your hand down, hold back. Breathe in and out 3 times. Right palm, and then left palm holding your right palm. Breathe in, out. Put your hands down, hold it back. That's so wonderful. You can put your 2 hands like this on your chest, okay? So you can see the inner knuckle, yeah? Your hands knuckle over here. There is a mountain and there is valley, okay? So you can put the mountain on the valley, okay? In between like this. And, together in front of your chest, and you move back and forth, okay? Front and back to moving and rolling together. So this one can help your hand to massage and acupressure between your each fingers, okay? Breathe in, out. This is very good to do acupressure naturally with your hands. You feel hurt, pain a little bit, but it's normal. So to move your left hand forward a little bit. Okay, so you can continue. Move in and out. You breathe naturally. So wonderful. Left palm on your lower abdomen. Right hand with the 5 fingers. And then you click together under your left shoulder's bone, okay, right here. Connection point between your left chest and then left shoulder, okay, right here. Yeah, click. You click 20 times and then change to the right side, okay. This help your heart is healthier, strengthen your chest. Right side, help you strengthen your lungs. Then the left. All right. That's wonderful. And then you can make a fist and massage for your whole body. Massage on your back. Go down your 2 legs and go to front. and then go down again. So you can do 3-4 rounds like that. And then you put your hand like this on your lower back, and you can move up and down, okay, to massage your lower back, bouncing your legs a little bit to relax. This one can release the pain of your lower back and circulate the blood on your lower back. That's so wonderful. Breathing in, you raise your hands up, stand by the toes. When you breathe out, you can say, ah, okay, so you allow yourself to release tensions and worries completely from the body. In. Inhale. That's so wonderful. When your palms, breathe in, relax your body. Breathe out, release tensions from the body.